Hey guys, it's Aussie Reptiles here. Today we're going to be looking at some new additions that are in this tank here and some basic setups for a couple of other different species. I assume majority of you guys will be able to tell sort of what they are based on how the enclosures are set up. I will just mention that this little one here is temporary. I am going to be picking up another one of these ones. So these are the Reptile 1 T2 terrariums, and there's the different sizes obviously, but I will be picking up another one of these for for these guys, but for now they're in this one. That's just temporary, and so what we'll do is we'll take a look at these. I'll get you guys off the mount, let you guys have a closer look at these guys, and I'll do a little bit of talking about them and so on like that. So basically, yeah, we'll jump into that right now, so I'll catch you in a second.
Alright guys, so we'll start off with the red-eye green tree frogs here. So as you can see, as I said, the tank is temporary, it's not permanent. It will be upgrading into one of these eventually. They were originally one of them, but obviously I made way for this species here. But we'll start off with these guys here. So as I said, they are red-eyed green tree frogs. Ignore the dirt on the glass. We've got one sitting here, he's the biggest one. Actually he's not, that one sitting on the fake bromeliad there is the biggest one. That bromeliad is Exoterra, that was sent to us by Exoterra. It is really cool, it holds the water in the middle there, so I generally will see the frogs sort of swimming in there. They do have a water bowl, but they generally will sit in there. And then here's the smallest fella right there. So as I said, it is a bit small. I did especially have quite a large sort of substrate layer. That could have been all the way down here, and then there would have been a bit more space, but I did fill it up a bit. Not that it's a bad thing, there's lots of greenery and it is increasing their colours a bit. Like they were a lot more paler than this, sort of like that guy there, but this one has increased his greens a lot. But that is them, very simple sort of setup. As I said, again, it's not permanent. Again, they don't really do much, they sort of just sit there until the night time obviously. But besides that, that's the red-eyed green tree frog. So now we'll move to this one here. Again, a really simple setup. It's sort of meant to look like, I guess, the river bank. So we'll have a look. So where are they? Of course, there's one's legs tucked in there. What we'll do is we'll open it up. So they're just top access, really simple. Again, they are Reptile 1. There's one there. So what that is a green and golden bell frog. As you can see, not green and gold whatsoever, especially the same as that one that's sort of tucked in there. Still awesome frogs, just not really what they're supposed to be. These were born and bred and born, I guess, at Lilydale High School. And then I did get them as tadpoles and develop them into frogs. I will have to look at picking up some others so I can actually have some green and gold and bell frogs. Again, the tank is really simple, just some live moss, fake plant there, just a branch. You tend to see them sitting up here a bit, and then obviously the water, which needs to be topped up a little bit. But that is that tank. As I said, just easy sort of slide on mesh lid, just like that. Really nice tanks. They are really, yeah, as I said, really nice tanks. Again, Reptile 1, they're really good, they hold water. Obviously, larger sort of animals couldn't go in them, but there is the two different designs. There's probably more as well, but these are the only two that I had at work. So they're called, yeah, the T2s. I think they're both called the exact same thing. This is obviously one's sort of smaller, and then these ones are obviously a bit more wide. Same height though. But that is them. And then we'll move over to the newest additions to the collection. Literally just picked these up just before. So see if we can sort of spot anything that isn't just this one right here in the corner. They're all hiding. Again, so pretty simple setup. There is a fake plant. Those grasses are real. I was trying to sort of mimic, I guess, like a cattail or those sort of reeds that grow on the side of a river. So it's got the natural river stones, I guess, some live moss obviously, and then the stones obviously all the way up there as well, and bits of bark. So yeah, again, top access makes it really easy, and then also the light sort of prevents the frogs from being able to jump out in those corners there. So we'll start here with this fella, as you can see right there, just chilling there. Oh, there's the other one. Didn't even see that. Right there. So that's one of them. We'll get that one out a bit more so you can see it a bit better. I have done a video on these guys before on my channel, but these are new ones, 4 new additions. So if you guys watch that video, you will know what they are. They are spotted marsh frogs, and then obviously we have an albino one. There is a second albino one there tucked away in the reeds, and then there is another normal, but he'll be tucked away in that moss pile more than likely. But yeah, as you can see, they're pretty cool, pretty unique, pretty different. That's sort of one of the main reasons I wanted to pick them up. Obviously I've got albino blue tongues and stuff, so they're not the first albino animals I've owned, but in terms of frog wise they are. So you got the normal spotted marsh frog sort of chilling right there, the albino there. So there is 4 in here, plenty of space for them to grow up in. They are really cool. There goes that one, he's tucked himself away. But as you can see, yeah, so pretty unique, pretty special. I had to pick them up as soon as I saw them advertised. These were from Totally Reptiles, so I guess it's not really local, but a semi-local pet shop to me, I guess. And yeah, so the other ones are hiding, so I'm not too sure they are. But might pick up some more, I'm not too sure. I would like more, sort of get a breeding project going and maybe produce some albinos for myself. We'll see how these guys go, not too sure at this stage, but yeah. So that is the 3 tanks. I'm pretty sure it's the first time I've sort of showed these on camera. There you can see the green and golden bell frog up there. He has got the green sides to him, but as you can see there, and a bit of green on his feet, but they're meant to look like this. But as you can see, mine definitely do not look like that, unfortunately. But yes, so the red eyes, they will be getting upgraded into one of these, and eventually they will be going in the tank that my ridgetail monitor is, Ridgy-Didge. But for now, there's the 3 of them. I'd like a name suggestion for the 2 albinos and the 2 normal spotted marsh frogs. Obviously, we're not going to really be able to tell them apart. Actually, one of the albinos, this one here, has black eyes, and the other one has red eyes. So I guess name them 2. And the other ones can be sort of mutual names. But besides that, this brings this video to a conclusion, so I'll catch you guys in a second.
Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed having a look at the marsh frogs, the spotted marsh frogs, the albinos and the normals, the green and golden bell frogs, which aren't green and gold at all. As Josh said, he asked me when I'm actually going to get some green and golden bell frogs. So maybe down the track, and obviously the red-eyed green tree frogs there. So hopefully we'll be sort of expanding the frog collection a bit. That being said, our collection as everything as a whole, really, I'm going to sort of focus on other species rather than just blue tongues. Obviously blue tongues are still going to be a big part of myself and the channel, but we're sort of going to expand a bit, and obviously we're expanding a bit with the amphibian side of things. I do have green tree frogs as well in the tank over there. Obviously that's not in this video, but for the most part, thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Leave some name suggestions for the 4 spotted marsh frogs, the 2 albinos and the 2 regulars. And you might as well name the green and golden bell frogs as well, why not? So leave a name suggestion for those in the comments below. Obviously you don't have to, that's not sort of the thing you have to do, but if you want to, you can. Besides that, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram, link will be in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.